Man, oh man, I'm excited to make this video. Now, I typically don't make like reaction videos, but Cletus McFarland literally did exactly what I was just talking to my family about the other day after watching a couple shows on abandoned racetracks such as North Wilkesboro and Nazareth, which is actually relatively close to home, and like how cool it would freaking be to have your own racetrack and host your own events and not have to deal with the outside track owners and doing everything like that. I just wanted to say before I show the video that Cletus had posted, this is freaking phenomenal. This is so amazing that he is taking his YouTube money and investing it into a piece of American history, even though it's not like a big name track. It's just absolutely insane that somebody else was thinking of this idea, and obviously I'm pretty sure it's been on his mind for quite a long time. As a huge NASCAR fan, this has always sat behind my TV where you guys normally see me record, and I've been trying to stockpile up on some old NASCAR games in the meantime. So this is actually pretty crazy. So this is one of the videos that I was watching showing in reference to like abandoned NASCAR tracks. This is actually North Wilkesboro Speedway, which as a kid, like I used to have like a lot of old cassette VHS tapes, whatever, of like old NASCAR stuff, and I always saw North Wilkesboro. Now, North Wilkesboro hasn't seen a NASCAR race, like the highest level NASCAR race, since 1996. The difference between this track and Nazareth is that they're pretty expensive if you wanted to actually buy them, and you'd be investing a lot of money to fix them. This next track is actually Nazareth, which Nazareth is in Pennsylvania, which obviously I live in Pennsylvania. So it's a track that's like kind of close to home. I would say it's probably a couple hours away. We still have Pocono in Pennsylvania, which is obviously a track that is still used today. But as I was going back and forth with my family and talking about this, I was like, how cool would it be to have your own track to hold different types of events? Like I was actually looking at like the mini stock cars, which there was actually a YouTuber that like did a Dale Earnhardt mini car. Like how cool would it be for like little kids to come on your track and drive this little mini 1/2 scale NASCAR on your track and just have a good time? As somebody that like really enjoys that stuff, I think that would be really freaking cool to be able to host events like that. And like you could even have adults running the mini stocks. You can do like any type of style race that you really wanted to, and that's what makes it so cool of him being able to do this. Is just that is a thought that has been on my mind, and obviously recently watching these videos really shows like the potential that some of these tracks have.
It's simply a fact that every young boy has dreamed of having their own place, a place where they can do whatever they want. Last year, an opportunity presented itself for us to obtain our own place, the perfect place where we can do anything we please. A place where original content can thrive, a place where our people could have the time of their lives. Many people may see what I'm about to show you as a useless facility. Hell, it's been sitting useless for over 2 years. But we see much more. We see a mini burnout stadium. We see a place to test any of our creations. We see a place for our fellow YouTubers to thrive. Long story short, we stepped up to the plate. We put everything we have behind this beautiful piece of American land, and on January 17th, 2020, it became ours. What you see here is 63 acres of automotive history. What you see here is the future home of all of our operations. What you see here is 3 men who believe in motorsport. And we present to you our Freedom Factory.
I just wanted to congratulate Cletus and everybody else involved. And this is truthfully a beautiful thing and something that maybe someday I would love to achieve, even if it's like a little sprint car track, something like that. I feel like being the owner of a track and having your own free will would be amazing. I'm not going to monetize this video. Cletus, if you see this, hopefully I don't get hit with a copyright strike for using your footage inside here. But thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.